Alright guys, welcome to hopefully one of the last bits of this video. We're putting in a new one in here and see if that does a better job of latching on to the door, because earlier it was not at all. So, and again, I highly recommend you don't over tighten these things. I don't like over tightening anything. Some people like over tightening stuff or lock tightening stuff, but I don't, because when things break, then, or you need to do maintenance when you Loctite it and you do a bunch of stuff, then it's kind of permanent. Anyway, I suggest you come out so that we can check if this locks.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see if it locks. No. You want to get stuck in there if it doesn't work?
What's wrong with it?
Likey